3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing file privileges error on Steam. The first step is to completely exit Steam. Click on the hidden icons on the bottom right of your taskbar. Right-click the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Next, locate the Steam app by typing Steam into the search bar on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to reopen Steam with elevated permissions. Once Steam is running again, go to the top left corner, click Steam, and then Settings. Navigate to Downloads on the left-hand menu. Here, change your download region to another nearby location. For example, if your current region is London, you could switch to Manchester. Then, clear your download cache by pressing the Clear Download Cache button and allow Steam to restart. Make sure you have your password handy to log back in. Finally, address the specific game causing the error. Go to your library, right-click the game, and select Properties. Under the Install Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan for any corrupted or missing files and repair them as needed. After completing these steps, your issue should be resolved and you can launch the game without further errors.